Hi guys, what's up? My name is Noah.
415 Robbie.
Aladdin.
Today we're gonna go shopping at Safeway with a little twist. We're gonna snort some coke. So first I gotta call out my plug and get it. Yo, what's up? Where you at? Oh, you in here? All right.
You wanna smoke some crack, bro?
No, I'm good.
Come here, let's smoke crack. Let's smoke some crack. Hold my wallet for me, sir.
Dude, are you sure you just don't want some water?
No, take that. I'll show you a little trick here.
Have some water if you want to drink some water.
It's okay. We call this a cup of coffee where I live.
You have a little white on your
$20. Oh, really?
On your face, yeah.
Take some out of the bag. Make yourself a nice little line. You snort it. Wow, that was a bad line.
Do not come to San Francisco.
Oh my God, Trey actually snorted the flour.
Let's find funny stuff to do. Gelato got me flying in the sky.
Supreme pizza.
Hey bro, want a little Coke?
Nah, dude. Say no to drugs.
Nah, dude. Just a little Coke.
Oh. Thanks, bro.
No problem.
Time for some corny jokes. Bro, look, it's eggplants. Chinese eggplants if you eat. It's nice.
That's not an eggplant from China. It's too big. Get 2 very juicy peppers and we'll eat them. And then we'll see how long we can go without milk or water. Should we eat this pepper or not?
All right.
Don't do it.
Don't do it?
Don't do it.
I have to accept the challenge.
All right, let's go buy
They're
them.
so spicy. All right, wish me luck, guys. So I need to get these like devices for my mom. My mom sent me here to get those things that like soak up blood.
The what?
They soak up blood. Show me the pepper.
I ate like half of it.
Oh.
It hurts, I must say. Definitely gonna grab some milk when we get in. Once you hit the seed, very hot, very hot.
All right. What is this we have here?
Welcome aboard to the best Uber around. Feel free to drink a refreshment or smoke a joint.
Can I drink alcohol?
No problem, sir. Where are we going tonight?
We're gonna go to the strip club.
Okay, right on. Dude, he flipped me off. They changed the double-double to 420, look.
Yeah, baby, let's go. Double, double. Woo! Don't you just love your double, double?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Bro, you sound like a drunk person.
What do you get here, Noah? You told me it's good.
They have burgers and they have plastic fries.
Telling me right now that you can't record whatsoever. Are you ever gonna have an issue or anything like that?
How's it going, everyone? This is Robert Kennedy. Today we'll be reviewing the double-double. I paid $4.20 for it today. So I get the extra double-double sauce on here.
Getting on that action.
Now, for the lettuce install. And you just take this bitch and plop her on. And you got yourself a snack. I like these little crunchy edges on the bun. It's very nice. The lettuce adds another bit of component of crunchiness. Good amount of cheese. And of course I applied my own amount of special sauce.
Real quick PSA, do not go to In-N-Out while your brother is filming and pissing off the workers, because you'll get shitty fries that look like this. Look at that.
What a fucking dick.
Not worth my $2.07.
Dude, you have a right as customer. Let's go up there and let's say we don't like your fries. Dude, do you want me to go up and do it?
Yeah, do it. Say these fries are shit. Can I please have a new one? But don't say they're shit. Just say these fries suck.
Hey, these fries aren't like what my brother likes. They're too dry. Can we get new fries?
He wants new fries.
Yeah, give me fries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheeseburger, onions, 2 fries.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Would you like to eat here?
Pass them right to me.
Oh yeah, they gave you a big one.
Mission accomplished. I got us some nice fresh fries.
Bro, no. Can you go refill another ketchup thing?
I'm gonna go get some ketchup. Okay?
Thank you, bro.
It's every day, bro.
Do the hack, do the hack. I love how you pump that thing. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, chill out. Oh yeah, scooter plus target equals mischief. Scooking. Want that?
Puffs, Reese's Puffs, peanut butter chocolate flavor. Remember that commercial?
Yeah, I remember that commercial. Oh, so close.
No, you should just sit in here while I push you around and you film him.
Okay.
LOD. We need a Schmeg on board. There's lots of Schmeg. We need some Jack. Go. That's some good whiskey, boy.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Should I get this one? Yeah.
Yeah, just put it on. God damn.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucking sick.
You from Wakanda?
Wait, I want to be Batman. Switch me.
That is literally Trey.
Daddy, I really want a new toy.
Oh, which one do you want, son? I'll get you this time.
Oh, thanks. Can I get the Mongoose schooner? This one
Yeah, of course. You've been such a great boy.
Thanks.
You really have. You haven't fucked your sister once.
Oh.
Me and Mommy are gonna get it for you.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Mom.
What do you say, son?
Can we have a blender?
Fine then.
You know the answer.
Mommy, do you want it?
There's no question.
Silly me. I used to work at Toy, but I got fired.
Look at that.
I got fired for cussing out a guest. Now I work at Chipotle.
Dude, look, this guy's a boner. Buy Target.
Hey, what's your YouTube?
Noah Wang. You have YouTube on that?
No, I don't.
I was like,
You guys
hey.
ever see a fucking flip phone like this?
Yeah.
2018
My
flip
boy,
phone. Trap
dude.
shit.
The future.
A Noah Wang.
Yeah. Find me out there.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Here, take a hit of that for my video.
At least he was smooth about it. Like, if you get taken in the office, that shit sucks.
You got taken in the office?
Oh,
No.
shit.
Sucks if they
I've
do.
never been taken.
Ooh, this is gonna be a big ass hit.
Did they take you in the office when you
Whoa.
got caught? Alright, nice to meet you, bro. What's your name again?
Tyler.
Alright. Speak
Oh,
soon,
look you up.
buddy.
I'll subscribe, bro.
Thanks, Tyler. Peace out.
Russian, смотри черепашка. Spanish, mira una tortuga. French, un tortug. German, Weinschli, ein Schulterkrüter. Chinese, Nikan Ugue. Fuck, Japanese, Mite, camera.
We're English.
YouTube run.
Look, a turtle. Look.
Where?
Right there. It's right there.
Oh, shit.